For a single pergola build of any size, the first step is to build the top. First, lay out your brackets and lumber for the top, using cardboard underneath the brackets to prevent damage. Then, create the U shape. And then secure the brackets to the lumber with the provided screws. Next, create the I shape in the same way. Connect the I and the U shape, securing them with screws. Once the top is complete, and solo brackets have been placed and fastened on all of the vertical posts, lift one side and insert 2 vertical posts into the bottom of the trio brackets and secure with screws. Lift the other side and insert the remaining 2 vertical posts and secure with screws. Apply caps and enjoy. To install a Toja Grid privacy wall using our Knect brackets, first gather the hardware and the necessary lumber. First, measure and mark the location of each post evenly. Place your Knect brackets over the ends of the lumber. Place the post on your structure, lining up the middle of the bracket with the markings you made, and fasten with screws. Repeat. Apply caps. And enjoy.